In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a document in Grammarly. Imagine you're working on a vital document and suddenly it's gone. It happens, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Grammarly. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly dashboard. There you'll notice a variety of options, but our focus today is on the Documents section. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic of recovery begins. Here, you'll see all the documents you've worked on recently. Now, it's not uncommon to accidentally delete a document. If this happens, take a breath and don't panic. There's typically an undo option that appears immediately after you delete something. It's like a little safety net. However, if you don't see that undo button anymore, don't fret. There's another way to retrieve your work. You'll want to look for the version history option in the document menu. Now, this feature is incredibly handy because Grammarly keeps a record of your document's revisions, including deletions. In the version history panel, you may find that precious document you're searching for. Once you've located the document you want to recover, click on it. Sometimes you might find a version that's available to restore or download, which brings us to the next step. Simply click Download, and this version of your document will be saved to your computer. This provides a secure backup, giving you a sense of relief. With your document safely downloaded, you can return to the Grammarly interface. At this point, you'll want to open a new document. This is where you can breathe new life into your work. All you need to do is copy the text from your downloaded file and paste it into this fresh Grammarly document. Make sure to save it. And just like that, your document is right back where it belongs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Recovering a document might seem daunting, but remember, the key to a smooth recovery process is to act promptly before that undo option vanishes and to leverage the version history feature effectively. As you continue to use Grammarly, keep exploring its features. You might discover even more tools that are beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.